Hello, this is Nathan from doTERRA Cucina. I'm so excited that our new pans from Italy are finally here. After a year in development, we finally got this new Vesuvio pan. This is a new ceramic coated Italian developed, designed, and manufactured. And this is 100% Teflon free, so no PTFE and no heavy metals, so it is very, very safe for cooking. It actually can handle temperatures of up to 490 degrees in the oven, and this is a very functional pan. So I'm going to open it for you guys today. So just sort of show you what to expect. It's really simple, not very complicated. So because I'm a chef and love to cook, this pan has everything we would need that I wanted in a pan. So first of all, it comes with this tempered glass lid. So this lid is silicone rimmed, so it's a soft rim and won't chip any pans or ceramic that you use. It is tempered, oven safe, again to 490. I want to be able to use this completely in the oven and on any type of surfaces like gas or electric. So this is pretty functional. It is a ceramic coating that is developed with volcanic ash included in it, and it is based on a 3.7 millimeter aluminum base. So it is a very thick and sturdy pan that heats very evenly throughout without developing hot spots, and the surface is very slick, will function very well as a non-stick, and also comes with this this silicone handle to keep the handle a little cooler for when you're using it on the stove. Again, it can go directly into the oven, and with the lid even into the oven, up to 490 degrees Fahrenheit. So again, we're very excited about this. If you want to learn more about it, we have it on Amazon, so you can certainly look up Vesuvio pans from doTERRA Cucina and see all the nice reviews we've had so far there. Thank you very much.